Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Planet for Tech. I hope you all are doing great and learning lots by watching all these continuous episode of this series Python Beginner to Master. So guys, till now we have completed two episodes of this series and today in the third episode I am going to describe you basics of Python. So in the basics of Python we are going to understand a few things like how we can create the variables, how we can how many types of comments are there, what simple printing commands are there and the variables of how we can create it and taking input from the terminal runtime and after that we will understand about CFC control it is not CFC, it is CFS, control flow statements. So in this we are going to understand how we can use the if else block and the for block and the looping statement. So these all we are going to understand in this episode today. So let's start by starting from the comment. So how we can create the comment in the Python. So let me show you. So for the Python programming, it is recommended to use the VS Code or Jupyter Notebook. You can use it. So today I will show you the same code with the help of VS Code and in the Jupyter Notebook as well. So if you are using the VS Code, so you need to have one command line. You can say the command prompt. So from there you can execute it. But in case of Jupyter Notebook, you don't need to have the separate command prompt because in the Jupyter Notebook, it provides the way of running the code there itself. So now first I'm going to show you with the help of the VS Code. So let me start the VS Code here. So I have started my VS Code here. You can see. So here in the Python folder, I have created one demo.py. So you can create any folder, any place in your laptop. So you can see we have created the demo.py. So py is the extension of the Python file. So .py means it is the Python file and the name of the file whatever you want you can create it, and after that in this py file we have to write the Python code here. So let me show you one demonstration first how it is working or not. So there is one print command I am using here just to print simple hello world you can say. So like in my second episode I have already described in the Python we don't need to use the semicolon for line terminating. So this is not allowed it here. So we have to remove it. Now we have to run it. So how we can run it? So let me start the command prompt on the same path. So I have already started command prompt. Let me show you. So you can see in the command prompt simply you have to type py just to check the version. So you can see the Python version is 3.11.0. Now I'm going to run that particular file. So for that we need to write Python and the name of the file. So name of the file is what? Demo.py. Now let's see. Sorry, it is showing some error. Okay. So instead of Python we have to use py. Oh, still it is not running. Means Python is not there. Demo.py file it is not getting. So let me check why this is not showing there. Let me check the location of the file. Oh, this path is different, so we have to start command prompt here, or else we can run this here in this VS Code terminal as well. So let me show it here itself. So this will be very easy for you because you don't need to start separate terminal. You can run it here itself. So this is the path. Here we have to use the Python. Sorry, not Python, py, and the name of the file demo.py. So this way guys you can see here it is showing you the output hello world here. So this is the output of this particular command. Now we are going to understand the comment like how we can come give the comment here. So let me give you the comment here. This is single line code. So this is the way of giving comment in other programming language, but in Python this is not using the same syntax. In Python the way of giving the comment is different. So let me show you how we can give the comment here. So in Python this kind of comment not supported. So you can use hash here. So this hash is used to give the single line comment, and for multi-line comment if you want, so let me show you the first this is working or not. So it is working, you can say. So this is the single line comment. So if you want multi-line comment, so what you need to give, three times double quote and three times double quote, opening quote and the closing quote. Inside this, whatever you can write, this is my first code and learning Python with Planet for Tech. So you can see here I have written multi-line code, multi-line comment here. So for multi-line comment, we have to use this three times opening double quote and three times opening closing double quote. Now let me show you. So you can see here it is working properly. So guys, this one you have to make a note. For single line, you have to use hash, and for multi-line, you have to use double quote, three times opening and three times closing. So this is all about these commands we use in the Python. Now the need of the variables, how we can define the variables in Python. So let me show you. Like in other programming language, we need to write some, you can say, some dollar or some special way, like in the other programming language, how we can write it, the variable like int a equals to 12. So this way we don't need to write here in the Python. Python supports a very simple syntax. So in Python, we are not going to give this way because it is not supported by the Python. So in Python, we can keep it like a equals to 12. So it is what the value of a is 12, and let's suppose name equals to Ramesh. So you can give like that, and you want to, if you want to print it, so you can print it simply name like this. So it will print the name. You can see it is printing the string here, name, and if you want to print the integer, so you can print it as well. You can see here, so it is printing the value of 12 here. So whatever we are creating as a variable, so we can use it here itself in the print. So this way guys, you have to create the variable in the Python. We don't need to use more syntax like int or dollar in the PHP. Like in PHP, what we use dollar, and other programming language like Java, we use this way int a equals to 12. But here in the Python, this is very simple. You don't need to use any semicolon, no semicolon. You need to use it here, and simply you can create the variable and you can assign the value like this. So this way, guys, you can create the variable in the Python. Now let's see the next point. So the next point is simple printing command. So how many types of prints commands we can use just in a Python to print the particular statements. So the first one I have already shown you here, the print. So this print function takes the values. You can see here the print whatever values we are giving to print, it is just printing in a console here you can see. So this is the one of the command just to print the string. Print command is there, and apart from this there are other commands as well. Let me show you those commands one by one. So here guys, in printf we can use different objects we can print together as well with some separator as well. So let me show you one example. So I am going to print two string like hello, and the second string I'm going to print I am Ramesh, and I want there should be a separator between these two strings, so I can use the separator like this. So the separator is let's suppose I am going to use the three times four times dot. Now I'm going to use it. So you can see here it is printing hello four time dot and I am Ramesh. So this is one of the other use of print. So we can have multiple objects, and we can give the operator here as well. So let's suppose I have to print one array. So how I can use this array here? Let's suppose 12, 14, 15, and I have to print this here. So how we can use it? So you can see here it is printing it 12, 14, 15. So this way the print command you can use it, And there is one more way of using the print. We can use the format method. So this format method is used to add some dynamic value in between the string. Let's suppose I have to print some dynamic string like this. Sorry, hello, my name is, and here I don't know like what my name is here. So we can pass it here, format, and here we can pass the value of this first value. So this format value I'm going to give Ramesh. Now let's see. So you can see here it is printing hello, my name is Ramesh. So this curly braces is just taking this argument. And what about if you have more than one arguments, like my age is 28. So I am from, let's suppose I have to give the location as well, like I am from Bangalore. So how we can use it here? So first time you can see it is taking only the first value, and what about this second and third value? It is not taking because we have not given the placeholder here. So let me give the placeholder as well. So the placeholder is my age is, again we can give like that, I am from, you can give the new line, I am from, and this is the third placeholder. So this way also you can print it. You can see, hello, my name is Ramesh, my age is 28, I am from Bangalore. So this is the one way of formatting the output. And another way of formatting output is we can use in this what you have to remember the sequence. Let's suppose if I am changing the sequence here, so the output will become meaningless. You can say it will print the, but the meaning of the output will change. You can see, hello, my name is 28, my age is Bangalore, and I am from Ramesh. So this way this is not that much meaningful. So this might happen if you are doing some programming. So to avoid this issue, what we can do, so to avoid this issue we can have the named arguments, named formatting. So how we can do that? So that is called as keyword formatting. So for keyword formatting, what we are going to give? So here we are going to use some particular keyword like name, and here we are going to use age. Here we are going to use location. So now we are going to define here. So this is what about, this is the age, and this is location. You can see, and this is what about name. Now I'm going to print it. Let's see. So now it is printing properly. Hello, my name is Ramesh, my age 28, and I am from Bangalore. So this way, guys, you can use this keyword formatting as well. And apart from this, one more type is that is the index. You can say index or position formatting. So we can use position formatting here as well, position formatting. So for that you need to specify the index. Let's suppose I want the first and I want 0 here. I want the third value here, or I can set second value. So what it will do? So simply it will put the first, means the first value here, and the second value here, and third value here. So let's suppose this is the value, and we want, so you can see here. So in this list, formatting list, so this is the zeroth value, and this is the first value, and this is the second value. So I am from, this is the third value. You can see so index is second. So here you can see the index is second. 28 is on zero index, and this is on first index, and this is on second index. So we have to change it like this. So now what it will take? It will take the first index, means Ramesh first, then after it will take the zero index 28, then after it will take the third index, that is the Bangalore. So you can see here, my name is Ramesh, My age is 28. I am from Bangalore. So three types of print command you can use it here. Format with the help of format method, keyword formatting or the positional formatting we can use here in this print format. Now I'm going to show you how we can take this input from terminal at runtime. So this point we are going to understand now how we can take this input from terminal. So for that we are going to use one method, that is the input. So you can see here I am going to write one variable name equals to input. I am going to ask the name of the user, enter name. So definitely he will write name, and after that we can print it, print my name is, and you can append this name here, name like that. Now I'm going to run it. So it is asking here, you can see enter name. So I'm going to give my name there, Ramesh. So it is printing my name is Ramesh here. So you can give the space here. And guys, you can see here as name is a one of the string, and my name, this is my name is, this is also one of this string. So to concatenate this two string, I have used the plus operator here. So with the help of this plus, we can add those two strings here. So this way guys, you can take the input dynamically. Let me show you another example. One more input I'm going to take, like the I'm going to take the input of age, enter age. So here we can print it, and my age is, I am old. So here I'm going to take the age. It is asking my name, Ramesh. It is asking my age, 28. So it is printing here. You can see my name is Ramesh, and I am sorry. This formatting is not supporting in the single quote. So for that we need to use the double quote here. I forgot to say you. So here we have to use the double quote. Then only this formatting will work. Otherwise not. Now you can see it should work. My name is Ramesh, and the age is 28. So I guess it is not at working, means we are missing something. My name is Ramesh and the age is 28. So it is not working because we are missing something, I guess. Let me check what we are doing mistake. Oh, here I can see we just forgot to use the format method. Format method we have to use, then only it will work. So this way we can use name is Ramesh and the age is 28. So you can see here the output is showing my name is Ramesh and the I am 28 years old. So this way guys, you can take the input from command prompt at runtime. Now come to the next, that is the CFS, control flow statement. So if I will cover this topic in this episode, so it will video will become very lengthy. So in the next episode, means episode number 4, I am going to deal with this topic, CFS, control flow statements. And meanwhile you can just do the practice of these three episodes, whatever we have covered till now. So till now we have covered the features of Python, we have covered the installation of Python, and we have covered the basics of Python, like how we can create the commands and the print command, and different type of print we can use, and how we can create the variables. So this all we have understood till now. Now in the next episode, I am going to describe you this control flow statement in the episode 4. So guys, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get the notification for latest videos. So thank you for watching. And if you have any queries, so you can ask in the comment. And if you like this video, so don't forget to share it among your friends. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching.